It's a shame this isn't Oregon, but you know, I'll take it. It's still okay.
It's a house, you know.
Close enough.
It's like a no-knock raid.
Yeah. No,
This is the best.
this kid is a good
fucking-
sport. He deserves a chance. We'll ban the fuck
No,
out of
he
him if he
does.
gets out of hand.
Alrighty.
The biohazard container has been located.
Top floor. Excellent. This will go fantastically.
So they're upstairs. I'm gonna get a camera on the front door.
Alright.
Because I feel like we're gonna need that, so we know if we're about to get fucking wrecked.
Get ran
10
out on.
seconds before insertion.
Yeah.
Yeah, hide on the bookcase and then just bring it out when you're ready. Wait, what's that in the corner? Top
5
corner of the
seconds.
stairs?
With Frost, probably. With this
Oh god damn it! Whatever.
Just stay right there on the
The
floor.
biohazard container
Yeah, that's good
location.
enough.
Same plan.
Same plan, boys.
Alright.
This guy sounds so tired.
He's so done. Ready, Brennan?
Alright,
Wait,
3.
Check cams, check cams, check
2.
cams. Adam, check your cam.
We're good. Fuck it.
I got Frost.
No!
There's a guy on the kitchen, ground floor, ground floor. Oh, run it!
Sorry, Kyle.
There's a lot of friendly
Where's the
fire
cultist?
going on
Where's
every
the
I
cultist?
open up.
There's a clash. She's gonna come right around and try to get me.
Oh shit.
Hey,
Someone
fuck.
else got me.
Rip.
Reload, you didn't reload, Fox!
Oof.
No, fuck that.
Fox, you
I'm
didn't
good.
reload!
Yeah, they've got a recruit and Castle hanging out in the bedroom.
Ah.
All
Oh.
eliminated.